Hi everybody, today we're going to be doing sort 20 in your Words Their Way book. Can you believe we're already on sort 20? That's on page 77. So sort 20 is on consonant blends. We're going to be looking at words starting with SC, like a scarecrow, SN like a snail, and SW like a sweater. Scarecrow, snail, and sweater. So we're going to have to sort the words into these three categories on the next page, on page 79. Let's read the words together. We have scale. So repeat the words after me. Scale, school, scooter, sneakers, switch, snake, sweater, scout, scarf, swing, snowman, snow, swan, snap, and swim. And bonus points go to whoever can snap, because it took me a long time to learn to snap with my fingers. Can you all do that? You can show me tomorrow. He's snapping right here. So we're going to cut out all the pictures and put them in the correct categories here. Sk in the first column, sn in the second column, and sw in the third column. Do you remember the trick that I showed you to cut last time? So you can cut along the long columns here, and then you can put your long columns all on top of each other and just cut through the short sides. So each of the squares or rectangles is exactly the same size. So that can save you some time in cutting. So you can pause the video now, do the sort on your own, do not glue anything yet, just put the papers in the correct spots, and then, or what you think is the correct spot, and then you click play again to see the video before you glue your words. I'll see you in a minute. You can pause the recording now. All right, so here is the sort. We have a scale, school, scooter, scout, and scarf. They don't all need to be in the same column, in the same order, but they do need to be in the first column. For SN, we have snake, snowman, snow, sneakers, and snap. And for SW, we have sweater, swan, switch, swing, and swim. Those are all the words starting with SW. You can click the video to put it on pause if you need a minute to rearrange your words. I'm going to keep going and do the back. So on the back, you're drawing and writing two words starting with SC, two words starting with SN, and two words starting with SW. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and draw and write 6 words. You can do any that are creative. You don't have to do the words that are in the front of the sort. So you can also click pause now while you do some, or you can copy the ones that I'm about to do if that's what you would prefer doing. All right, so here are my words and pictures. For SC, I picked a scarf, S-C-A-R-F. For SC again, I picked scooter, S-C-O-O-T-E-R. A scooter can be a motorized, like a little motorcycle, or it can also be the one that you step on and you just push off with one foot to keep going down the street like this. With SN, we have snake and snowman. So snake is S-N-A-K-E. Snowman is S-N-O-W-M-A-N. SW, we have swing, S-W-I-N-G. And switch, a light switch. You turn it on and off and it turns on the light on and off. S-W-I-T-C-H. They can be a switch for many other things than just the light, but that was the easier one to draw. So feel free to write any creative words that start with those letters, those consonant blends, and I look forward to see how creative you can be.